what, you think you're better than everyone else? And I go, well, pretty much, yeah. Which was just me being... Tori, come on!
Did you not see me fall down in the parking lot?
It was very funny.
I wasn't trying to be...
The new play roster! Hold my coffee. Move! Excuse me.
Hey.
Oh, these are so good! Don't spill that.
What's so good?
The list of plays for the new semester. Oh my God, I am perfect for all these.
Is Moonlight Magic on there?
Yeah, number 4. Why?
Andre wrote the music for it. He wants me to try out for the lead.
You? Why?
Take your coffee and go.
Oh, somebody fell down on the wrong side of the parking lot. Need some help?
Yes.
Interesting.
And you're saying that movie's not scary.
No, I'm saying it's not as scary as tofu.
Why you always ripping on tofu?
Because it tastes like snot. And snot does not taste good.
Hey, look who's here.
Hey, can you guys help me?
Sure.
Oh!
That over there.
We should probably get some shelves in there or something.
There you go. All set.
Thanks.
Oh. Never put me down like that again.
Ow! I was helping Tori.
Get the gum off my forehead.
All right, my locker is filled. I feel complete.
Whoa, not yet.
What?
You gotta customize it.
Everyone at Hollywood Arts has to customize their locker.
Oh, well, what'd you do for yours?
I made a mosaic using all of the baby bottle nipples from my childhood. They remind me of a happier time.
Yours?
Check it out.
Follow those dreads.
Hey, Andre, Robin! That squirrel's back in my office again.
I'll get the net.
I'll get the nuts.
I don't know what to do with my locker.
Want to see my locker?
I guess.
These are pieces of food that I chewed but never swallowed. I spit them out, coated them with a polyurethane resin, and stuck them on here with an industrial adhesive.